Login failed on SoFi Money Plus fix. You open the SoFi Money Plus app to move cash, check rewards or pay bills and boom, login failed. It's frustrating, but don't worry. This problem is more common than you think, and the fix is easy if you follow the right steps. First, make sure your internet connection is solid. SoFi's app depends on a stable network to connect securely to your account. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your phone's connection. Next, update the SoFi app. Outdated versions can cause login issues due to expired security certificates or API changes. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search SoFi, and tap Update. Then re-enter your login credentials manually. Avoid using autofill or saved passwords. Even a small typo or an old password can cause the login to fail. If needed, reset your password using Forgot Password. If you use Face It or Fingerprint login, disable it temporarily and log in manually once. This helps refresh your security token and can instantly fix the error. Clear your app's cache as well. On Android, go to Settings, App SoFi Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears out any corrupted files that might block your login. Also, disable any ping or proxy you might be using. SoFi takes security seriously and often blocks connections from unfamiliar or masked IP addresses. Finally, if you're still having trouble, check SoFi status page or social media for any known outages. Sometimes the problem isn't your device, it's on their servers. So if your SoFi Money Plus app keeps saying login failed, don't stress. Check your connection, update your app, re-enter your info, and clear your cache. You'll likely be back in within minutes, ready to manage your finances seamlessly.